Firstly, take all the chocolate chips out and transfer them into a bowl. Melt chocolates with the microwave for only 30 seconds each time. Take it out and mix the chocolate chips to avoid overheating. Repeat this heating process with microwave for 3 times. Remember, each time you have to take them out and let it cool down. After 3 times, the temperature of the bowl should be similar to your body temperature. When you hold it, it should not burn your hands. Keep stirring until you get a smooth liquid result. Pour all the melt chocolates into the mold and tap a few times to get an even surface. If you want to speed up the cooling process, use a chopping board or something with a flat surface to transfer the mold to the fridge.